there? Find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. This is the main word. Trisection of the line segment AB, whatever the given. Here the coordinates are given 4 and -1 and the B -2 and -3. Suppose this is my line segment AB and I want to divide into 3 equal parts. What is the actual meaning of this? Trisection means what? I want to divide into 3 equal parts. That means first cut here P and the second cut here Q. You can see here this is my first part, this is my second part and this is my third part. Now I want to consider about the M is to N. Here this is your consideration. That means what? Forget for some time this is my P is not there. Only the point. Okay, now that means what? On your hand this is the 2 part and the other hand only a single part. That means what? We are consider here M is equal to 2 part and N is equal to 1 part. This is my consideration. You can assume here 1 is to 2, whatever, no problem. Now this is the regular sum. Here the Q is the point. Now Q is equal to X and Y. Okay, and I want to first of all find out this X and Y. Okay, simply we are going for the same sum. Now here this is my M into X2, N into X1, and now we put the value in the regular equation. Now this is the equation. Now the X coordinates of Q is equal to M into X2 plus N into X1 and divide by M plus N. Now I want to replace the value according to equation and finally I have the X is equal to 0. On other side, that means what? The Y is there. Same thing, you have to put the value and finally Y is equal to -7 by 3. Finally we have Qxy is equal to Q0 and -7 by 3. This is my first answer and that is the Q. Now consider about the P here. Now P is there. Now I want to cut down this part and I want to draw separately. Now the next one, I want to find out the coordinates of this P. Now I want to cut down this part P and Q and you can see here the P is the exact midpoint. You know very well how to solve the midpoint. First of all draw the figure once again. Now here the P is the midpoint. That means what? The X coordinates of P is equal to X1 plus X2 by 2 and the Y coordinates of P is equal to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Now replace only the value. X1 you can see here 4 and X2 is equal to 0 and now the final answer X is equal to 2. Here some complication is there. Y1 is equal to -1 plus Y2 is equal to -7 by 3. You can see here 3 is the LCM. After the simplification I want to multiply and divide by 3. So next step is -3, here -7 and the 3 is the LCM and the whole divided by 2 is there. Simplification gives me what now? -10 and the denominators of the numerators goes denominator means 3 multiply here and 2 5s are 10 and 3 as it is. That means final answer Y is equal to -5 by 3. So the P of xy is equal to P2 and -5 by 3. So this is the answer Q and P. This is the concept of the trisection. In previous case I want to find out the coordinates of trisection. Means what? I want to divide the given line segment in a 3 equal parts. Here what is the given? Find the coordinates of the point. Now this A and B is given. Now you can see here into 4 equal parts. I want to divide this line segment into 4 equal parts. Means what? I want to cut for 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see this is my first part, second part, third part and the fourth part. I want to find out the coordinates of this P, Q and R. Now first of all I want to draw this line segment AB and you can see here the Q is the midpoint. This and this portion will be same. So you can draw separately for this one. You can find out the coordinates of X and Y Q by the midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 by 2 and here Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So finally you have the answer of Q. XY is equal to Q 0 and 5. Means you can consider here Q is equal to 0 and 5. We can write down here 0 and 5. Now you can again see here the AQ is there and P is again midpoint. And you can see here QB and R is the midpoint. Now we can go for the next part. Now here you can see A and Q, and P is the midpoint. I want to cut down this portion and draw here A and Q. You know very well, A minus 2 and 2 and Q 0 and 5. Now P is the midpoint. Again you can apply the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you have the answer P. And now the third part, if you know this P, okay, and this is my third part, Q and B, you can see here QB, and R is the midpoint, means what? Again third time you have to apply the formula for the mid part, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, and after solving this you have all that P, Q and R, means what? These 3 points divide the given line segment into the 4 equal parts. Now the next sum is that if line segment AB, the coordinates of A -2, B 2 and -4, find the coordinates of point P such that, here the condition is given, you can see here, AP is equal to 3 by 7 into AB. That means the ratio is given but indirectly given. Suppose I want to replace here AP, no change at all. Now AB goes downward, but the denominator is equal to 3 by 7. You can see it is good, okay. AP is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 7. Means what? The AB is 7 part and AP having the 3 part. That means what? This is my 3 part and this is my total 7. So indirectly I can say the N is equal to 4 part. Means what? 3 and 4, 7. Means what? M is to N is equal to 3 is to 4. Now you can apply this formula for M into x2 and whatever. Now you can see here, this is my regular sum, M is to N is given, and I want to find out the coordinates of this Pxy. You can follow the equation, put the value, and finally you have the answer of P, x and y.